So, hey guys, my name is Rahil and I'm your trainer of Blender for beginners. So, in this video, we are going to learn final modifiers in Blender. So, let's add a mesh like a plane and here one cube also. And in the origins, okay, so first let's experiment on this cube. Go in edit mode, select box selection and extrude it, and here also and up also, and click here, extrude this also and this. And now go to object mode and go to modifiers, add modifiers wireframe and thickness, increase the thickness of the wireframes. Now you can see it's looking like in that glass frames that shopkeepers use this, or this is shop owners keep this here, chips, perfumes, if for example, and delete it now because this for an example only. And come on this, scale it bigger because this is so crazy things that I am going to share with you. uh, Go to the edit mode, press W, subdivide. Now it's done. Press C on the keyboard and I'm just writing a B. mm, okay, B. This is a for example, guys. And now go to the add modifiers. No add modifiers. Go to the data properties. Plus here a group. Wait. Name it like a B group and done. And now go to add modifier. Wait, first go to data, here B group, B G R U O U P group, and click on the assign and go to the weight paint. Now you can see this red is our B, that it's not looking like an B actually. Go to object mode and no, in editor, go in modifiers, add modifiers, wireframe, thickness like vertex group, here B group and thickness. Come in object, yeah, here is happening. It's I like this. Okay, now just delete it. And let's make the say third thing like a panel. Create over here a big panel and add modifier displace and go to the texture, new, wait, first go in edit mode and W, subdivide, 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 and now go to object and like image or movie, select Musgrave, I think. Now you can see some good thing here happening here. I can increase the size like this. It's looking like in water. And here dimensions I can select, decrease the size like this, and like this. Okay, now you can see here something sharper is made of, like go up Musgrave to noise properties and noise to this, what we say, and like a movie or image, no, it's a blank, blend clouds. Okay, let's do this, look, what we say this. Okay, wood, it's now looking like an cloth, like what we say that. And I'm wondering in the object mode origins to what they see. Wow, it's looking like an water. It's good. Okay, let's make a last thing. Just deleted. And my last thing is like a chocolate bar something. Add here one cube and go to the edit mode. Click here and wait, no scale. Move into the down and press I on the keyboard. Wait, press I, I. uh, Okay, something like this, and now extrude it up and down it some, and scale it, scale it a bit like no, it's not do. Shift and this box, and now scale it like this, and move it down a bit and go to object mode now. Okay, it's correct chocolate now, I think. Edit mode and move here some, and now go to the object mode and add modifier like a array modifier and increase the quantity like a 6, I think, and another array modifier, but this factor is in like a, what we say, remove from this. Wait, wait, some here, and now do here it. Okay, in the last one, increase the quantity, and here also some like, wait, some like this, and here like this, and here wait, and here also. Now it's looking like an perfect. Add modifier like a bevel, a bit it. First merge also it. Merged edges and vertices. Okay, it's done. And up it now. Up it and rotate it. Now you can see a good chocolate bar is here. And go to matte cup. Select here like a chocolate color because it's so looking so tasty. So that's what this today's guys. So we met in the next one. So bye bye. Stay safe, keep learning, and subscribe to my channel for the more educational videos. And I will demonstrate you about more things like day 4, shading, texturing, animating things. We met in the next video. So bye bye.